Hey Wolfpack, Cameron here from Wolfstorm Offroad. Today we're going to be working with this 2018-2020 Jeep Wrangler JL and installing our new front inner liner. I'll be walking you through removing the OEM liner and then leading you through installing your new one. First, we're going to start by removing the front fender liner. There are 4 bolts supporting the liner that need to be removed. There's also one single tension clip that will need to be pulled as well. You can use a fastener remover or a wedge tool. To remove the rest of the bolts, you'll need a wrench with a 10mm socket attachment. Next, with a bit of force, we're going to remove both the OEM fender flare with the plastic liner. Be careful with the next step. We'll need to disconnect the power connector for the fender light. First, we can detach it from the top. Then we can disconnect. Make sure the little red tab's position is flipped up to disconnect. Now the fender is held in place by these white clips. If you're looking to reuse the fender in the future, you can manually remove the clips. To do this, you'll need a pair of pliers to reach in behind the clip and crimp the back to release out the front hole. Now you can take your time removing them, or you can just pull it off like we did and end up at the same spot much quicker. Now to install your new inner liner. You'll notice your liner comes in 2 pieces. The front piece has the striped pattern and the back piece has the honeycomb pattern. Locate the support holes for the front liner piece, 1 top hole and 2 bottom holes. Locate the supplied hardware. The top hole will accompany the B7 screw, and the bottom 2 holes will need the B15 bolt. Insert the B7 screw with a lock washer and washer through the top hole. Next, we'll be installing the liner front to back. Grab the front piece and fit into place, threading the top screw down through the liner hole and matching the bottom support holes. Take the backing nut and hand tighten the top screw in place. Next, let's grab our B15 bolts with their lock washers and washers. Locate the 2 bottom holes and hand tighten the bolts. We're now ready to install the back piece to the liner. Using the back liner piece, overlap the front, line up the bottom and the middle connecting holes. Secure the center by hand tightening the 2 screws. Secure the bottom screws as well. It's now time to fully secure your liner into place. Having an electric drill will definitely make this easy work. You'll need a 10mm socket attachment, a 3/16 Allen socket, and a number 4 Allen socket attachment. Using your 10mm socket attachment, secure the top screw. Next, grab the 3/16 Allen attachment and secure the bottom bolts of the front piece. Now, using your number 4 Allen attachment, secure the middle screws and the bottom screws to the back piece. Right on, that's it. Nice work. Now follow these steps for the opposite side and you'll be fully installed. Congrats on your new front inner liners from Wolfstorm Offroad. These liners will give your Jeep the protection and the support for the many trails ahead. If you like these step-by-step videos, be sure to like and subscribe if you want to be notified of any future new Wolfstorm products and videos. Thanks for stopping by here at Wolfstorm Offroad. Keep it wild, Wolfpack. We'll see you next time.